What is up, guys? It's NeoRox84 Roblox, and today we're going to do another reaction video. And this is the first reaction video of 2024. Today we are going to be reacting to My Car Horn Compilation Part 2. 300 subscribers special by 2021 Volkswagen Atlas SE. And this was a fan request before I start. So let's get this video in 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, that was probably an Infinity. I think a Ford Transit, excuse me, from like 2019. 350 XL or XLT. So 2019 to now Honda Accord, or 2018. Very high-pitched horn. Whoa. And that's a 2021 Honda Passport, I believe.
3.5 need a 6-cylinder.
3.5 liter V6. That's a Chevrolet Pass Roll. Let me look up. Now here's the 2011 to now Chrysler Town and Country. This is a Nissan Juke or Murano. Juke or Murano. Weak horn. Ford F-150. Very strong. Yeah, Hyundai Kona. Yeah, I have done some Hyundai Konas before in the past. During COVID, you can see them if you'd like. Very weak. That's an Infinity G37. Nissan Sentra. It's a Hyundai Elantra 2021 to now. Subaru Forester. Nissan Pathfinder 2022 to present. 2022 to now, Nissan Pathfinder. I think this is the SV trim. Subaru Forester or Impreza WRX. They're pressing the horn very hard. It's weak. Mazda has a deep horn. I believe this is a Nissan Frontier. It's got a very weak horn. Mazda CX-5. Strong horn. Honda Civic Type R from 2016 to 2021. Yeah, he's punching the horn. Subaru Impreza. Okay, horn. It's actually a Subaru Outback. Excuse me. I thought it was an Impreza. Now here's an Infinity G37. Here's a Kia Optima, probably 2017. Toyota Sienna, one of my favorite vans now. There's a BMW M series. Yeah, ignore that part. Moving on, we have a Nissan Altima or Nissan Rogue. Now here's a Kia Sportage. Has a little congested horn. It was a 2022 to now Honda Civic. It's a Volkswagen Atlas from 2017 to 2020. I did a 2022 Volkswagen Atlas 2 summers ago, if you were to check that out. 2022 Honda Civic Type R. That Tesla! Now here's a Buick Enclave or Buick Envision. Fiat 500 black. Awful car and horn. Not sure what this is. Maybe it's a Fiat. Fiat again! Blah. Blah, 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 blah. That's what it sounds like. He's getting his handprints all over it. The owner's probably going to clean it anyway. Oh, a Chrysler 200 from 2017. Junk. Next is a Honda Accord from 2018 to now. There's a Mazda 6 or CX-5. Correct me if I'm wrong. Toyota Highlander from 2021 to now. Volkswagen. Toyota GT86. A Honda Civic from 2021. Fiat 500X. Mitsubishi Outlander. It's just like a Nissan. Toyota Prius. 2018 or newer. Now here's a Nissan Rogue S. Very strong horn. Toyota Sienna. XLE strong horn. Now that's a Toyota Corolla. 2020 to now. Yeah, that's probably a Mazda 3. It's an okay car. I mean, I do plan on doing car reviews maybe in the future. Yes, I plan on bringing them back. That's a Toyota Tundra, Chevrolet Camaro, one of my favorites of all time. Great horn! That's a Ford Transit, or Ford Escape. Ford Transit or Ford Escape. Volkswagen Atlas. Beep. Sounds angry. It's very angry. Yeah, that Subaru Forester sounds very angry. I have honked car horns at dealerships before back in 2019, but I don't do that anymore due to dealership staff kicking me out. Volkswagen electric vehicle. That's a Scion IA, just like the Mazda 3. That one's alright. Now here's the Nissan Sentra SV, or S, since that doesn't have push button start. Now here's the Mazda 6. Tesla Model 3. The Hyundai Accent SE. There's a Kia Forte. He sounds happy. There's a Dodge Avenger. Gotta love your Dodge. Hyundai Accent. Oh, a Kia. This is probably a Sportage. It's a Ford Maverick, I believe. Chevrolet 2024 Chevrolet Trax. Sounds alright. After they skip 2022. After they skip 2023, excuse me. 2022 was just terrible. Nissan Sentra SV. There goes a Lincoln MKZ. We will miss you. Now this is a Lexus ES350. I have done a few of these before in the past. 2021 during COVID. And I did one in 2020 of the Lexus. Now here's the Mini Cooper. I did one back in 2021, and it was 2007. It was a Ford Mustang from 2010. It was the Ford Edge, probably from 2017. Mazda CX-5. Subaru Forester. Subaru BRZ. Whoa. 2021 Chevrolet Trax. Bleh. Volkswagen Jetta from 2019. Oh, that's a little quiet, Subaru. So, it's just being impatient. There's the Nissan Pathfinder 2023. 2020 Hyundai Tucson Eco. Subaru Forester. That's a Volkswagen Jetta. There's a Jaguar F-Type. Ooh. It's a Chevrolet Cruze or Chevrolet Malibu. Newer Chevrolet Malibu. Nice! But it's a decent car. No, BMW 5 Series horn. Yeah, the newer Nissan Sentra 2020 to present. Mini Cooper. Now here's a Toyota Corolla LE from 2021. I did a 2020 model back in 2021. You could watch that video if you like. There's a BMW. Yeah, there's the BMW X5. It has a little high-pitched horn. Kia Forte has a very high-pitched horn. Mazda 6 has a very high-pitched horn. Now here goes the Mazda CX-3, or CX-5, excuse me. Kia Sorento. Nice! Hyundai Sonata 2021 Hyundai Sonata. Beautiful. And there's the Mazda 6 horn. Volvo XC90. I normally dislike Volvos, but that is amazing. It's a 2022 Toyota Sienna. There's a Mazda CX-5. Now here's a Chevy Silverado. Yeah, the clicking sound does not work. 2015 Chevrolet Silverado. A 2017 Nissan Sentra S, because it doesn't have a push-button start. There's a Mustang. I believe it's the EcoBoost. There's a Toyota Tundra. You can see a Ford Focus RS in the background. It's a Honda Accord. Ooh, a Dodge Charger. Now here's a Chevrolet. City Express, I believe. No, it's not a City Express. I think the Chevrolet Trailblazer. Newer. This is a Subaru Forester. Beep. Oh, that was just a Chevy Blazer earlier. Sorry, correct me if I'm wrong. Now here's a GMC Sierra AT4. Whoa, that horn! It's very strong. This is a Jeep Cherokee or Jeep Compass. It's a very boring car, but the horn's pretty good. Lexus. It's an RX 350. Toyota Corolla. 2018 Toyota Corolla. Or Corolla IM. Here's a Mazda 6. I love your Mazda. And there's the Ram 1500. 2021 Dodge Ram 1500. I did one of those back in 2021. Now here's the Ford F-150. We're getting trucks here. Now here's the BMW 3 Series. Nissan Rogue SV, or Nissan Sentra, excuse me. Nissan Yeah, Nissan Rogue SL, actually. That was a Nissan Rogue SL. It's a Ford Escape SE from 2013 to 2019. Now here goes the Chevrolet Silverado. And there's the Subaru Forester. Has the nice hazard button right there. Gotta love your Nissan. Well, the Rogue S. Another Rogue S. There's another Ram 1500 from 2020. I think it's a 2022 or 23 or even 24. Correct me if I'm wrong. I believe this is the Lincoln MKZ. And now here's a Mitsubishi Outlander. Another one. I think this is the SE trim. Yeah, it's based off of Nissan and Infiniti clocks. Now here's a Tesla Model 3! Here's the Jeep Grand Cherokee L from 2023. 2023. Last year. Range Rover. A Range Rover Velar Sport. 2023. Here's the Chevy Express. Yeah, they've had the same thing since 2008. This is pretty outdated. But I was only 2 in 2008. And yeah, the horn is pretty wimpy. And here goes a 2020 Hyundai Elantra. Sounds decent. Now here goes a 2023 2 or 23 Jeep Grand Cherokee. 2020 or 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee. To finish off, we have 2017 Nissan Versa SV. And alright guys, that's the end of this reaction video. I really hope you enjoyed it, because I sure did. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Have a great rest of your weekend. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. This is me saying peace out.